Circumlocution is a noun that refers to the use of unnecessarily long or indirect language to express something. It often involves speaking or writing in a roundabout way instead of being straightforward. By origins, the word originates from the Latin circumlocutio, meaning talking around, derived from circum, around, and loqui, to speak. It entered English in the 16th century. Explanation and usage. Circumlocution is commonly used to describe speech or writing that avoids directness, often to obscure the truth, soften the impact of a statement, or appear more formal. It can also reflect hesitation or indecisiveness. Example sentences. The politician's speech was full of circumlocution, avoiding direct answers to the questions. Instead of saying she was late, she used a circumlocution to describe her journey in detail. Here's cultural significance. The term often appears in critiques of bureaucratic or political language, where it is associated with evasiveness or the intention to confuse. In literature, circumlocution can be a stylistic choice to create humor, emphasize a point, or mimic conversational speech. Synonyms: evasion, avoiding directness or clarity; periphrasis, the use of longer expressions in place of shorter ones; verbosity, using too many words unnecessarily; antonyms: directness, straightforward; and clear communication, conciseness, expressing much in few words; clarity, being clear and easy to understand. A key takeaway: circumlocution refers to indirect or overly wordy communication. While it can soften messages or add nuance, it is often criticized for creating confusion or avoiding directness. Subscribe.